Hello everyone, welcome back to Nafas Academy. This is Nafas speaking. To solve this problem, to find out the value of A, B, C, D, we have to use the long division. I am writing the divisor and now dividend, right? To divide them, we have to make them equal of both divisor and dividend first terms. X is the first terms of the divisor and x cube is the first terms of the dividend. So to make them equal, we have to multiply by x square with x, right? So x square is now the quotient. Write it here. So we have to multiply by x square with the whole divisor. Write it over here. Since it is subtraction, minus x cube plus x cube cancel out, plus x square plus 3x square, and it is 4x square. Bring down the minus 7. Now our target is x and 4x square. We have to make them equal, x and 4x square, right? X for divisor, 4x square for the new expression. Okay, so 4 we have to multiply by 4x, right? Not 4x to make them both sides equal. I am erasing it. 4x, yes. So 4x times x, that is 4x square, right side is 4x square. They are equal. Looks beautiful. So 4x is now our quotient. So write it over here. 4x. Yes, and now 4x times whole, the total expression of the divisor. What is that? 4x square minus 3 4 is 12x. Yes, write the expression over here. 4x square minus 12x. Since the sign, I am changing the sign since it is subtraction, right? Minus 12x, now it is plus 12x. So 4x square minus 4x square cancel out. So at first write the 12x, positive 12x, and now minus 7. So our new target is x and 12x. We have to make equal both the x and 12x. At first write the x left side and 12x right side. So you have to multiply by 12 with x, then they are equal now, right? So 12 is our quotient. Write it over here. So 12 times the total expression of the divisor. 12x minus 3, 12, 36. Yes, 36. Write it over here. 12x minus 36. Since the sign, since it is subtraction, minus 12x, now it is plus minus 30x minus, yes, so cancel out. So minus 7 plus 36, what is that? I'm using the calculator. What is my calculator? Yes, 29, positive 29. So what is the rules to write it? At first write the quotient, then plus sign, mistake, okay, plus sign, then draw a line for a fractional line, and now the numerator is the remainder and the denominator is the divisor. It is the rules, right? X square plus 4x plus 12. So what is the answer? The coefficient of x square is a. It is nothing means 1. Coefficient of x is b, it is 4, and the numeric value is 12, and d, the numerator is d equals to 29. This is the answer. I hope you understand. So thank you very much. This is the answer.